Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pugsheen. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the top left and let's draw the face. Let's start with the curve across here. Now from both ends, let's angle it down and curve it in at the bottom. And then close it off with a curve. Next, let's move inside and draw the nose. We'll start with a curve near the top, and then curve it down to a point underneath. And then color it in black. Next, underneath for the mouth, let's draw two curves going outwards. Now top outside, and let's draw a circle on both sides for the eyes. And then let's color them both in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and let's start drawing the head. Let's start with a curve on top. Now from both ends, let's curve it up, down, and back up for the ears. Now top under the left ear and let's draw the side of the body. Let's draw a curve down, and then curve it in at the bottom, stopping here. Now let's hop back up next to the right ear, and let's draw a curve out to the right, and then curve it down. Now underneath, let's leave a gap, and let's start by drawing a swirl around and back in for the tail. And then another curve down and in. Now at the bottom here, let's add the feet. Let's draw a curve down underneath on the left. Then continue the body over, and then another curve for the second foot. Now let's draw another line over, the third foot down, over again, and then one more curve to add the last foot. And that's it for Pugsheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!